gyms to drive-thrus, Bollard posts are everywhere. These steel and cement posts are critical pieces of protection that have been painted for years. That was until our CEO, Frank Venegas Jr., changed the game with his invention, the Bollard cover. Designed so you'll never have to paint again, Ideal Shield's Bollard covers are available in more sizes and styles than anyone else and can be customized with any color or decal to fit your exact branding needs. Not to mention, they're so easy to install, I can install them in my heels. Because let's be honest, they look so good, everyone wants them. And once the cover is in place, your job is done. Not only will the cover enhance the look of your property or business, it also comes with a 5-year no-fade guarantee. This product has many different names on the market, but only one rings true, Ideal Shield. And as the original Bollard Cover Company, no one knows covers quite like us.